class, man, is almost over. We got one more week. Tell us how it's been for you, man. How the situation worked out for you.
It's been a, you know what I'm saying, good adventure.
Good adventure.
You know what I'm saying? Learned a lot from a good welding coach.
I appreciate it.
And you learn a lot. You will learn a lot. You know what I'm saying? I learned how to stick welding, the Godfather welding.
I like the way you use it. I like that. I like how you use that. Stick is the Godfather.
Flux core, then mid, you gonna do your overhead, vertical, horizontal, flat. You gonna do all that, T joints. Right now, I just finished doing a lap joint.
Did real good. So your goal is to dive into fabrication once you finish. So you've been looking around at some spots. So tell us about this little interview you said you went on, or a job fair you went on the other day.
Oh yeah.
So how did that go?
At the job fair, it was at an Expo Logistics in Searcy, and they was hiring for welders, first, second shift.
Okay.
And went there, did a tour. They had seen the beads, seen everybody else beads, and it's what you taught us. I was like. Yeah.
So how did you feel? Was you confident?
I was very confident.
You were very confident.
I ain't gonna lie to you. I wanted to take the welding test
right there. You were so confident. You were like, oh, I got this.
I was like, man, I know Joe. I sent Joe these tests. I know he's gonna be proud of me. I know.
That's good. And you know what? I'm glad you got the confidence, because I wanted you to be able to know the difference when you see a good weld and a bad weld. And to know the difference of what happened when, like, man, they went too slow here, or it looked like they ran out of gas, or they got too close, too many pinholes. But you would know the difference is the right and the wrong way how to do it. So that right there is a plus. And like Ms. P was saying earlier today when I was talking to her, just having that knowledge alone makes you a welder. To know what it looks like. She said, I didn't even notice. Now I'm just walking around. I just look at welds. Because you don't notice it now. You like, your eyes you're more prone and open to it now. So you can say, yeah, this good, yeah, this bad. You know what I mean? So as far as what you got in the class, if it's somebody else in the local area, Little Rock, or someone else that can get in, would you prefer the class for what the amount is and what they getting out of it? Do you think it could really be a beneficial for them?
Yes, sir. Like right now, where I'm working at, I'm trying to get this young guy, his brother.
Okay.
I told him I gave him my TikTok and I gave him yours.
Okay.
And I told him just watch the videos. Just watch. I was like, I don't want you to be in here, what I'm saying, this warehouse is hot and you doing the same thing when you can do with welding. It's more fun to me. It's fun to me.
It is fun, and it makes time pass by. It makes time pass by because you really be working on it to be. You literally try to make your last weld, your next weld, better than your last one. Every time.
Yes,
Every time. You literally want it to be. You want it to be nice, and that's good. So as far as what I instilled, as far as what I did, I think I really benefited you and helped you gain something that I know you can pass down to somebody else. And you are already helping and assisting people. A few minutes ago, you was helping a guy do uphill, and when you and Malik get in the booth, y'all will work on one another. So you already got the audacity to start passing on the information. And that's where it starts at, fam.
Yeah, I be telling everybody, I be like, I don't even call him my welding coach, I call him my sensei. just like you know what I'm saying?
Hey, I feel you.
Like I'm the Karate Kid, you know what I'm saying?
It's the sensei, okay.
He taught him everything he needed to know, you know what I'm saying? And that's exactly what you did.
Exactly, and so now I know, regardless of what happened to me in life, what I gave you is going to outlive me, and you will be able to pass it down because you got something. And now all you're doing is critiquing it. So from here on out, you just working on it, getting better and better, learning more and more. But stay in contact with me though, so we can keep getting the hog on, fam.
Oh, man.